Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got another PR video to share with you, or a PR unboxing video. I uploaded my very first one a month or two ago, and I asked you if you'd be interested in seeing more of these type of videos, and a lot of you said yes. Now I do receive a lot of subscription boxes as PR. They are all gifted to me for free in exchange for promotion. So the difference between receiving those boxes and what you're seeing in these videos is that brands get in touch with me asking me if I'd be interested in receiving any of their products in the hope that I may share, talk about them, but there's no contract. There's no, I will send you something if you post about it. All of these products that I'm sharing with you in these PR unboxings are products that I've been sent to have a look at, have a try. If I want to share, I can, and some of them have given me codes and things like that to put in the description, but there's no commitment, there's no contract, nothing. It's up to me if I want to share or not. Now the big change came last year thanks to what I receive on AdSense, on YouTube, and also people that click on my affiliate links that give me a little bit of commission. Over the last year I've been doing my taxes. I'm now classed as self-employed, and I'm now over the tax threshold, which means that I earn over £12,500 a year. So anything I earn over that, I am taxed on. What I have also learned, being an influencer on social media, if I'm promoting, showing, anything, if I buy anything for myself to use, I can count a lot of it as expenses. But anything I am gifted for free, but in exchange for doing something, then I have to add the value of that item as payment. And I had a big shock last year with, you think of all the advent calendars that I unboxed, 20 odd advent calendars. But yeah, I worked out that I was gifted around £4,000 worth of products, and then I have to claim that as full payment. So whatever I earned last year, I had to add on all the products that I was gifted, which came to about £4,000. I have to pay then, because £4,000 going over the 12.5 grand, I'm being taxed, so I have to pay a couple of £100 in tax. So I'm being strict. Hopefully that makes sense. If you do YouTube and you earn a little bit of money, or social media, TikTok or whatever, then you will know what I mean. A lot of people on social media don't claim products that they are gifted, but my sister-in-law is a chartered accountant, and she says, yeah, there's more and more information coming through. A couple of years ago, being on YouTube, social media, it was quite a grey area. There's more and more rules coming through, and that is one of them. So yeah, I have to be strict. One of the items that I was sent, which I'll show you, they wanted me to do a full-length video talking about the brand, talking about the different products, talking about my products, showing you how it worked and things like that, for free, in exchange for me having the product. And I just thought, no, I can't. The only way to get around that is to do sponsored material, for them to pay me to do it. I said to them, I'm sorry, thank you so much for the offer, but I can't accept it because, and then I went into saying why. Basically, if it is something well known and I know that I would get a couple of thousand views on YouTube, and depending on the cost of it as well, if I knew it would do well, because then whatever I earn through AdSense, it offsets the value of the product. And I'm showing you, I don't want to go down the route of accepting sponsorships from brands that I'm not familiar with. I hope I'm making sense. I know I'm blabbing on a bit now. So bottom line, the brand came back to me, said, that's fine, we would love to send you this product, we'd love to hear what you think of it. If you share, great, if not, then no problem at all. And this was, what, about a month or so ago. I've set up a PO box now, so if brands want to send me new products, new skincare, new makeup, beauty boxes, beauty tools, anything like that, that they think, oh, okay, send them to Claire, she might show them without any commitment, then they're welcome to do so and send it to my PR box. But I just have to be strict. I have to be, because I could lose a lot of money, and I'm not a huge YouTuber. If you're watching this thinking, what the hell have you just said, Claire? Explain yourself, then please ask away down below in the comments, and I'll answer any of your questions. Or if you'd like me to do a separate video or a Q&A, actually, I haven't done a Q&A in a while, but anyway, I am going on and on and on, aren't I? Right, I'm going to put a timestamp in this video just in case you want to skip forward what I've just said and you just want to see what I've been sent. First up, I've got a new face cream. This is by Evolve Organic Beauty. Hydrate and Protect Facial Cream for normal to combination skin. A light hydrating moisturiser with squalene, wild butterfly ginger and organic indigo. 99.6% natural origins, 46.8% organic, and there's 60 mils here. And yeah, this was sent out to me a good couple of weeks ago. I haven't had a chance to properly look at it yet. Anything that I'm sent without commitments, I put them in a little corner. I've tried a few products from this brand, from being in beauty boxes, different subscription boxes, and yeah, it's a really nice brand. Made in the UK, dermatologically tested, handmade in small batches in our eco lab, for external use only, cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, it just has a really nice smell. A little bit of almonds, although saying that, I've got an almond hand cream on my hand. Oh, from a previous video. No, hand side. Is this? Yeah, it is. There's a little bit of almonds in there. I think. I don't know. No, I can't see it in the ingredients list. Although the writing is really small, but it has a very, very slight, subtle smell. Put a little bit there. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, thank you to Evolve Beauty for sending that out to me. Right, the next one, this is really unique. So I was sent some scents from Commodity. I'll show you in a minute, but this is the Scent Space Guide. It says, introducing Scent Space. Take control of the strength and projection of your scent with Scent Space. Each Commodity fragrance is available in 3 different Scent Space concentrations: personal, expressive, and bold. So essentially, this is like a starter kit. I'll have a look now on the website how much it costs, and I'll pop a link down below anyway if you're interested in taking a look. But yeah, this is the Exploration Kit. So if you're new to Commodity and you just fancy finding out your perfect blend, trying different scents, then yeah, this kit, it sounds really, really cool, doesn't it? It's a little bit different. And oh my, there's a big booklet here telling you all about the different scents. Okay, and look at this. Look. They're all there. And you've got these little papers there. How to choose your fragrance. So you select your space. Do you already know how strong you like your fragrance? Yes. I like it quite strong, but not enough to make me feel sick, cough. I do like it quite strong, and I like it to last very long. Whether you prefer fragrances that fill the room, stay close to you, or fall somewhere in between, probably in between actually, then start by selecting your preferred scent space. From there, explore all 6 scents within that scent space collection. Once you've found your favourite scent, get a little adventurous and try them in their other scent spaces. Oh my gosh, okay. So all here are lighter scents. These are middle of the road, which is what I'm going to go for, and down here is the bold. Out of these 3 mosses, the middle strength one, which I initially tried, I really, really like, and the milder version as well. I wouldn't necessarily go out and purchase the bold one, but yeah, it just says to try it on paper, on your hand, and come back after an hour to see if you really like it. And then it goes into telling you all about the different scents, make your own notes. This is so cool. I'm sure my daughter is going to love trying all these out as well. Thank you so much to Commodity for sending this out to me. Last up, I got something a little bit different by L&L Skin, which I haven't heard of before. This is a UV magic mirror. It's a UV magic mirror. It's a sunscreen mirror. It's got a mirror here. Oh, how do I get it out? And in the corner, I've got a charging cable, instructions, which is good. And I must have, there's a little bag to put it in. And then I've got an additional one there, maybe. Or is it a cleaner? No, it's a little cleaning cloth. And they've even given me a little bag to put it in, which is cute. And there's an envelope here as well. It just says, thank you for choosing L&L Skin. and it says take 35% off your next purchase with code LLS35. I'll put that down below if you're interested. Please let me know if you've heard of this brand before and if you've tried anything from them. Ooh, look. It's just... Do you remember those Tamagotchis? It just reminds me of one of those. It says L&L Skin. So you've got a mirror there. And that's a screen. Okay, I haven't got a clue how to do this. So let's press the button. Oh my word. Look at this. You're not going to see anything. I'll take a video on my camera and I'll pop it up on the screen. Now I have got sunscreen on. I wear sunscreen every single day. I've had skin cancer, so I am very, very particular with my sunscreen. But if this works, this would be amazing. It will show me areas that I don't have sunscreen on my face. So if you've put sunscreen in the morning, I'm assuming you will see it all, but then as the day goes on, then you can have a look in the mirror to touch it up in areas. It retails for £186.63. UV Magic Mirror is a brilliant two-sided mirror. One side has UV test camera that reveals sunscreen coverage, and the other side has 3 brightness modes. LED light for applying your makeup and tweezing your eyebrows. Oh, okay. How do you turn the light on then? When you're looking at the mirror, the light comes on automatically. There's a YouTube video here. I think I'll copy that and I'll pop it down in the description because I'm sure they'll be able to explain in more detail. It is used to ensure you're totally protected from damaging UV rays by highlighting where sunscreen is applied. And bonus, it also reveals whether makeup is completely removed. And the battery lasts for up to 15 days. Only negative is that this feels quite flimsy. It's, you know, it's £180, so a lot of money. It just feels quite flimsy. Have you tried this before or tried something similar? Please let me know what you think. So just 3 items today, but obviously this video has gone on and on and on and on with my big chat at the start of the video as well. But I hope you enjoyed watching. What do you think of the products that you've seen in this video? Have you heard of the brands before? Have you tried them before? You've probably heard of Evolve Beauty. If you are a beauty box lover like myself, you've probably had a few products in different boxes, but I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.